Hello everyone, thanks for coming to learn about my communicating research and action plan presentation. I want to start by saying a little bit about myself. My name is Kevin Bisson, and I'm a 7th grade mathematics teacher at Laconia Middle School in Laconia, New Hampshire. My school is a public school and has grades 6th through 8th in attendance. I like to be involved with my school community in many ways other than teaching. I also coach football for LMS, along with the math team, and I run a homework club after school. I'm an old car fan, especially older BMWs. That's my 91 E30 in the picture you see. Currently, it's away from the snow and salt here in New Hampshire. I really enjoy teaching and would say that I'm an aspiring leader, thinking about administration later down the line. Here we have an agenda slide. We will be having the introduction as to what the problem is. We will be talking about why there is a need for research. We will then be talking about the required information needed to do the research, what the actual action research plan is, including our outline, who the stakeholders are, right, where are the benefits going, and then 6, finally, what are the next steps. Differentiation. Many middle school students come from elementary school with large learning gaps in mathematics. There are many contributing factors to this. Teachers are left with a difficult task regarding proper differentiation. So, for instance, my school has 3 separate elementary schools. So, even if everybody comes to middle school with the same information, it can be really difficult because them coming together for the first time as a whole can cause an issue. What we do see in a lot of schools is that kids are coming in with gaps, specifically in math, as some of the elementary school teachers just aren't covering the same things in mathematics. Third grade over there in school A might be different than third grade in school B. So the problem that I'm really focusing on for this action research is the problem is ineffectively differentiating middle school level mathematics for all learners. The background of the problem is middle school mathematics teachers do not currently have the training, resources, or time to properly differentiate for every student they have. This is from Storvro and Kudalisini. While the concept of differentiating instruction to meet diverse needs of all learners is widely acknowledged, its successful implementation, specifically in middle school mathematics, is daunting. This is why we need research. The purpose of this research is for the action research study will be to investigate and address the challenge of effectively differentiating instructions for all learners in 7th grade mathematics classroom at Laconia Middle School. For the method, we will be using a mixed method approach, and that's crucial for effectively addressing the problem of ineffectively differentiating middle school level mathematics instruction. This combined approach will provide a more holistic and insightful picture of the situation, leading to more effective and sustainable improvements in mathematics instructions for all learners. And this is from Dawadi. Here are the required information. The problem has already been listed to you. The research question is what are the perceived challenges and benefits implementing differentiated instruction for middle school mathematics based on the opinions of the staff and students at LMS. For interventions, we will find which methods of differentiation are most effective and train teachers how to use them effectively. Our main goal will be to provide effective differentiation strategies to teachers that will help students find more success in middle school mathematics. For our population, all students at LRMS will be taking math classes to be participating in this action research project. For the timeline, it'll be the entire school year. Progress assessments in the fall, winter, and spring, and then student and teacher interviews will be conducted in the fall and spring as well. For resources, we're really looking at laptops, the iReady assessment program, note-taking devices, Google Slides, and Google Sheets. The action plan outline. Students will be given the mathematics pretest to find out where each student currently is regarding their mathematics ability. Students' interviews will be conducted and given feedback from students regarding this, like their learning styles, learning environments, and experiences with differentiation strategies thus far. Teacher reflections will be given by the educators, and then data will be collected and compiled based on what the students' test scores, they're given from their interviews, and their reflections given from the teachers. For students, they gain the improved learning experience at school. Their individual needs can actually be met, and this can result in more engagement and motivation in class as well. Educators will benefit from the enhanced teaching practices that are informed by data-driven decision making through professional development and curriculum development. Parents and guardians will see an increased student success and gain a better understanding of the instructional practices used at the school. And then beyond that, this research, if proven impactful, can be shared with other schools, other districts, and all middle school age children will do a better job in mathematics. For next steps, the wonderful thing of this is that it can be always used and repeated and adjusted as needed, as all good action research should be. iReady is an adaptive test and will meet any student where they are. So even if you get a new set of kids that might be in a totally different place than the kids you just had, you can do a new test and find which differentiation strategies will work for them. The task force should share their findings with families and fellow educators for continuous transparency and improvement. Here is our list of references. And I do want to thank everybody for viewing this presentation, and I hope you found it impactful. I really hope that differentiation in math can be viewed as something that's very effective rather than something that is daunting and difficult for teachers to do. Thank you.